Welcome back, everyone. You might have guessed this, but we are still right here in the same little corner of Colorado. And if you're new here, my name is Linnea, and life has been quite chaotic, so I have a lot to share this week. But even through all of the chaos, I have been working on taking time to breathe and sit in nature and to take in all of the beauty here. Thank you for filling the kettle. You really filled it all the way. Did you want? Last night, I didn't fall asleep until about 2 a.m., maybe even after, because there's just so much going on in my brain. There are so many moving parts to life right now. And also, my brother is here. She doesn't even know what to do. Go back. Come back. Come just went on his lap.
Go back. Yes. Oh, I'm glad you're excited too.
Oh my gosh. It has been literally years since Noah and I have been in our vehicles together in the desert exploring, and now he's here. He drove over 20 hours. It took him 2 days to get out here. I couldn't be happier. The last time we were together, we did a 40-mile trek through Pariah Canyon, and I'll put that video up here. It's an old one, but it's a fun one. Akila has been keeping a very close eye to make sure that she knows when her uncle wakes up. I know, Akila. I have some really exciting news, and you might already notice it because I'm wearing this really cozy, comfy, cute Columbia fleece. I am here to announce that this year's merch fundraiser is officially live. And last year you guys helped make a really great impact for preserving and protecting public land. This year, 100% of the proceeds is going to the Off-Grid Animal Sanctuary. It is a really neat, small animal rescue place. They rescue animals, they rehabilitate them, they house them, they rehome them, and I will make sure to put all the information of that below. But I just got this a few days ago and I basically haven't taken it off. It is so cozy. On top of that, I am absolutely obsessed with these hats. So the little phrase for this year is simple joys and epic roads. So many of you were upset last year that I did not provide any pet merch. So this year, as promised, there are dog bandanas. A few really important notes. All patrons have access to a 10% off code. I have recently posted the merch is live update with your code in there. Another really amazing thing that I want to mention is this artist. When I reached out for the invoice after he created this design, he said, hey, don't pay me, please just donate the amount that you would have paid me to the organization. And I just think that is the sweetest thing ever. The last really important piece to this, if you want your goodies by Christmas, you have to order before December 10th. And this entire merch fundraiser thing will be going until January 31st. So 31st is the last day that you can possibly order. But if you want it in time for Christmas, you gotta order by the 10th. Also, there is already almost $400 raised for this nonprofit. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support and your love and even just purchasing a sticker is going to help bring money to this amazing animal rescue. That's that for now. I need to move on with my day.
Oh, hi, Cowbell.
You can do it, Akila. Noah is the middle brother of my 3 older brothers, and every time I am with any of them, I feel so incredibly grateful for our friendship and our connection. He has a similar soul to mine. Noah loves the desert, and he is always excited to explore, and of course, Akila adores him. Just in the first few days that he was here, Noah researched all of the 14ers in a 100-mile radius. He found the closest reservoir, and he checked the prices for skiing. All so that we have plenty of adventures when we reconvene here for years to come. Noah, do you see her? Dirty nose. Even cooler, Noah puts a really big focus on having a simple life, and his little truck build is the perfect representation of just that.
Did Akila fart or did you fart?
I didn't fart.
Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh. Is there poop in here? Jesus.
Show everybody your home.
Okay, this is my home, everybody. Got my sleeping bag and bed in here. I sleep on a tri-fold mattress, and I have different openings for food. 2 more sections under here for storage.
Wow.
I got extra crap piled up here right now. And here's a little closet, various things. These spread between this section and my bed, so I can have basically like a full-size bed in here. I can have 2 of these tri-fold mattresses. Little cabinets. I have no drawers. I wanted this to be simple. I can take each of these sections out and remove everything fairly quickly. Within like 15-20 minutes, everything can be out of here. So this normally would be on a drawer system, but I didn't want drawers, so I want a little extra space. Got that. And I love having the wind doors, so especially when it's warm. It's not warm right now, but I can pop these and get a lot of cross ventilation. It's really great for in the desert. And I have really cute lighting, which you'll have to see at night. This is my little food drawer. It's actually a big food drawer. It's not on a drawer thing, it just slides. It's like almost 4 feet long.
Oh, you look so cute.
Oh, really? Thanks. And then at night, or when it gets cold, or when I'm stealth camping, I got my cute little heater. And then I have Reflectix for covering the windows. And I sewed material onto one side of them so that if I'm in a city, I can have the material side out. Nobody can see in here. You can't even tell I'm in here with all the lights on. It just looks dark.
I have been working on a little project. I've realized that one of the only things I have missed over these last 3 years in the van has been working with my hands. Being physical and building things, having a vision, and then learning how to do it and working to make it all come to life. I've really missed that. And so this little hill has been a great way to kind of scratch that itch, even if it is just moving rocks. Chris and I just got back from town. We needed to run errands and check the post office. Noah was hanging out here, just enjoying the quiet and the desert solitude. And I am getting cold now. So tonight, Chris and Noah are gonna drive an hour to go play Magic with a bunch of people. I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to start my wood stove and get really cozy and finish up work. Basically, all I've been doing for the past few weeks has been computer work and figuring out everything that's going on right now, which hasn't left much time for anything fun. But sometimes that's just the way things go. You have those seasons of life where you're just grinding and grinding and grinding. But right now, I'm gonna get cozy with this wood stove. Also, Mom comes in tomorrow and I'm so excited to have her here. She's going to stay in the van with me and I'm so excited. Also, if you have a wood stove, get a little metal straw. This thing is amazing.
I love it. Oh, really? I really love having the third party around. Put the little things out.
We are out here checking all these little cute little paths that go to little homes. Noah calls them little highways. Am I doing good?
Get your butt down. Get your butt down. You gotta get your butt down.
The beauty of where we are is that this is just a short walk away, and it's been really fun having Noah here to explore with, and I just can't believe it. It's so beautiful. Kayla, what are you doing? Oh boy. It is a beautiful morning, and I'm up here sitting on the rocks overlooking our little circle of vehicles that we've had circled up for a few days now. There is nothing more fun and cozy and special about having everybody living in a rig circled up together. I was telling Noah the other day, it just feels like an adult excuse to have like adult sleepovers. Because I love waking up in the morning and peeking out my window and knowing that Noah is like 2 strides away in his truck. Keela, what are you doing, girl? I know that content has been a little bit weird. I have recently been making less videos, and that's for a few reasons. The first reason is that I have been so incredibly busy. There are a ton of moving parts to my life right now. I'm trying to balance all of them. And with that, I have been filming a lot. I'm currently working on 3 videos. So there's no lack of content, but I haven't been publishing much because I have been scared. I have been scared to tell you what's been going on in the case that it doesn't work out. Oh, I didn't spell. I've also wanted time to process through everything that's happening because it's been a few weeks now. There's been really intense ups and downs that I'll get into later, I'm sure. So You might have noticed that we have been in the same spot for a while, and I know that there's been confusion because it's been cold and we live in vehicles, so why the heck would we stay here? I have fallen in love with the property that you have seen us on. And over the last year and a half, I had been kind of like poking around at land and calling agents and figuring out what the deal was with land around the country in the areas that I love. Without getting into it, because I am working on an entire video about just this, I figured I would share the truth of what's been going on. And the truth is, I am working on purchasing these 40 acres.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.